Hi, this is Scott Dorn with Spectrum Industries. What you're looking at here is our new rAVe podcasting table. It's designed for 4 to 5 people max, but it could host just a one-on-one conversation. We've designed it so that it is streamlined, low profile. All of the cables and equipment is managed down below. You see there's a sound absorbing panel on the work surface. Really a nice streamlined product. When you step back, you'll actually notice that there's a logo panel here. So if you're on video, you could actually have your main PTZ camera up. You could see the logo the entire time on the podcast or just when the producer decides to come on. It's also available with a display, so you could have variable signage depending on who you're hosting. So if rAVe is coming in, doing a podcast from our station, if that were one of the displays, you'd be able to see the rAVe logo on the whole time. So the rAVe podcasting table from Spectrum Industries can be found on our website, www.spectrumfurniture.com, and this and all of our other products are available on the website.